Here's another idea I want to share with you. I bought a portable projector screen from Amazon. I think it was under $100 or so, something like that. Plan on putting it in front of the window here. Oh yeah, tripod, projector, run some lines, my own little backyard theater. Do something about this grass. Oh yeah, think it'll be nice. Think it'll be worth it. I thought about putting one up here, something I could pull down. Look at those lights. Worried about leaving the screen outside all night. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I think this is gonna turn out great. And I'm sure it was worth the money. Put it here. Oh yeah, why not? Just an idea, just a thought. We'll see what happens. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.